Hey, what up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reacting to Dua Lipa covering Arctic Monkeys' Do I Wanna Know. Let's get into it.
Have you got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that fear that you can't shift? The type that sticks around like summits in your teeth, and there's some aces up your sleeve. Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my city. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go, sorta hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights are mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Calling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few?
You know, on my producer bucket list, she's number 5.
'Cause I always do.
Man.
And maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the guts? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it shuts. Simmer down and pucker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp of trying to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do. We could be together if you wanted to. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go, sorta hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights are mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day.
That's a valid question. Do I want to know if this feeling flows both ways? Come on, baby.
Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. And maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through.
Oh, that was pretty nice, man. Like, yo, that's a valid thing though. Like, am I busy being yours to fall for someone else? I have to think this through, man, because that's valid. Anyway, shout out Dua Lipa, shout out Arctic Monkeys. This was pretty awesome. I don't really know the real song, so but I do love Dua Lipa. I love her vocals, man. She's got some crazy. She has a crazy voice, and she deserves all the success that she has. I really enjoyed the Future Nostalgia album and stuff like that. I hope she releases something else, man, because that's like 2 years ago, right? We need something new. Hey, it's the world we live in. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of her vocals. If you're an Arctic Monkeys fan, how did she do? Which other Dua Lipa song should I cover? Which cover of her should I react to? That's valid. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one.